Hello traders, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be exploring moving averages using the exponential moving average indicator. And how this is going to work is while the candlesticks are moving or while the market is moving, I'm going to be looking at the 200 EMA in combination with the 20 EMA and the 10 EMA. And so the idea is if the 20 and the 10 EMA are above the 200 moving average, this could indicate an uptrend. And if the 10 EMA is above the 20 EMA, which is also above the 200 EMA, this is signaling that the market is in a very bullish momentum and vice versa. So if the 10 EMA is below the 20 EMA, then this could signal a bearish market. And so we're going to take a look and see whether or not following the moving averages indicators is accurate for trading. So let's dive in. All right, guys. So as you can see here, on the GBP USD, as I usually am, and I'm on the 15-minute time frame. So I think I was reading this somewhere that it does work pretty well on the 50-minute frame. Look, I completely understand that you would use the moving averages in combination with other trading strategies. So what I want to do is just firstly see whether or not there is an uptrend happening when the 10 EMA crosses over the 20 and is still above the 200. And then later on in other videos, I want to combine this with perhaps price action trading strategy, perhaps bringing support and resistance levels, maybe even try it with break of structure and change of character, and just start mixing them together and seeing which one has the most accurate. But today we're just going to follow the EMAs first and make some trades based on that. Okay, so as you can see, the yellow line here is my 200 moving average, whereas I've got the blue, the teal here, that's my 20 EMA, and then I've got my orange, which is my 10 EMA. And you can already start to see that the two EMAs, the two moving averages, are already above the 200 mark. So the orange and the teal are above the yellow line, moving into a bullish momentum. And you can also see the EMA, so the 10, the orange line, is above the blue line, again indicating bullish momentum. So this seems to be working quite well. When these lines cross over, then we're going to want to consider, okay, is there going to be a reversal? Should we put in a short or a long position? So let's jump in and see where the market takes us. You can kind of see, you can see the gap is already starting to close here, signaling a potential bearish. So if this line does cross, so if we do see a crossover similar to around here into the downside, we're gonna enter into a short position and see how far this takes us. Okay, so we can see that there's already been a cross. I'm gonna want to enter into a short position. So let's give this a try. £1. Oh, I see what's happened. I see what's happened. Let me delete that order. And let's enter into that short position. Wait, hold on.
Sell at market executed.
There we go. Okay. All right. I'm in the sell position. What I want to try and do is do a 2-for-1 on my entry and exit. As you guys know, I've not really been doing entry and exits very, very well accurately. So 2-for-1. So I want to try and aim for 40 quid. Ooh, that's low, but let's see if this works. Okay, so a 2-to-1 ratio for my TP. Let's see how this trade plays out. Okay. It's going the opposite direction. Look at that. Oh no. Oh, it's not working. Oh, there we go. Okay, yeah, it's pushing down. Yeah, there we go.
Wow. Executed.
All right.
Exit with gains.
Wow, look at that. Not bad, huh? Okay, so first trade already up by 40 quid using this indicator. Again, was it the indicator? we'll see. But yeah, you can see that we the indicator did prove that once the 10 EMA crossed over that 20, we have begun going into the downside. What's really cool now is that we can see both these 2 to 10 and the 20 EMAs are getting closer to the 200, signaling a downside anyway. So let's continue to see whether or not it crosses the 200 mark. If it does, then we're going to want to consider another short position. Let me bring this down because it's moving incredibly fast. There we go. Okay. All right. So all I'm looking at right now are these three lines. You can see that the 10 EMA is still below the 20 and it's just about to cross the 200. So let's see if this continues. Okay, so you can see, yeah, this is definitely going into a downtrend. I'm going to open up another short position.
Sell at market executed.
I'm going to try again for another 2 to 1 ratio. Hopefully it will work. Let's try and talk. I feel like that's such a harsh TP. Oh, yeah, okay, let's try this. Okay. So if I get this trade, I should be able to make 30 pounds. Let's see what happens. Oh, I got stopped out.
Executed.
Oh,
exit with loss.
Exit with loss. Oh, that sucks. Oh, well. What did I lose? I lost 25.20. Oh, yeah, minus 25.20. Okay, fair enough. Well, yeah. I guess what we're looking or what we're seeing here is a convergence. They're all coming together, unsure. At least the market's unsure which direction it really wants to go. I still think it's bearish at this point in time. Oh yeah, I mean, by the way, I'm on the what year am I on? Okay, I'm on 2017. I'm on 2017 right now. So again, it's a very random time period. 2017. I don't know if there was any news or anything like that. I'll probably cover that in another video one day. How news is affecting the Forex markets. But yeah, it seems as though the market's a bit indecisive at the moment. Let's just continue to wait and see. Okay, massive push into the downside. Really frustrating. I got stopped out. If I put my stop limit a little bit higher, could have been somewhere there. Anyway, I'm seeing that this is going into the downtrend. Okay, I feel convinced to ride this again. So I'm gonna put into a sell. I'm gonna put a sell in.
Sell at market executed.
All right. I can see. Look, both of these EMAs are below the 200 average. That is signaling a bearish. That's a downtrend, right? So let's see if maybe this might be an awful take profit. You know what? I'm gonna increase my margin. I'm gonna increase the margin. Let me get rid of that.
Buy at market executed.
I'm gonna increase the margin. Make it. Yeah, it's a 2 now. And then I'll put in a sell order.
Sell at market executed.
And that is just going to amplify my losses and my TPs because I feel like my TP, I want to try and get that back. So maybe about 50 quid. So maybe around here. That's a horrible stop loss though. If I get stopped out, I lose 88 quid. That's horrible. I'm just putting my stop loss above the previous highs. I really should be targeting something around here. Maybe I should target down here the lower lows, 72. Who knows? Yeah, if we're going into a downtrend. When was the last time it was? Yeah, it kind of. Oh, okay. Well, it went under here for a little bit before going back up. So, I might need to make this a bit tighter. Okay, I'll put it at 61. And where are we currently right now? 30. So I'll make it a 30 quid. Okay. Let's see what happens. Oh no, there we go. Yeah, that's why I made a tighter stop loss and TP. All right. So yeah, well, you can definitely see. Look at the EMAs. They're way below the 200 mark. The 10 EMA is below the 20 mark. It's crossing over now. It's going back into the uptrend. We might lose this trade. It's not looking very good. That's not looking very good for us. Okay, I'm gonna speed this up. Oh, wait, what? Yeah, there we go. Oh, okay.
Exit with gains.
All right. Exited with gains. What did I make? 95? Is that really what I made? I'm gonna have to go back into the video and see what it was. It 95? Oh, okay. Well, I'll put it down as 95, but I don't think it was 95. I think it was like 50. I'll put it down as 95 now, and I've got to go back into the video and take a look and see what that actually was. Don't know why it's saying 95. Guess it's just because my margin was on too. Yeah, okay, makes sense. Okay, so you can see now that, yeah, the two EMAs are still below the 200 average. Maybe we can speed this market up and kind of move to a whole other section. We're waiting for the market to kind of rebalance itself a little bit. So you can see it's a bit undecided. The 200 is moving down slower and slower. These two, the moving averages are starting to converge. So I'm feeling like a long position it should be coming up soon. Okay, well, there it is. While I was talking, there was a clear long position. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, now the 10 has gone above the 200. You can see the 20, it's also above the 20, and the 20 is now trailing behind the 200 line, the 200 mark. So we might want to put into a long position.
Buy at market executed.
Yep. Let's see if we can target, okay, 44 pounds maybe. Yeah, might be. Why not? And a massive loss if I get this wrong, but I put it back down to lower lows. A lot of professionals out there, I've seen a lot of their videos, they would likely shout at me and say, Fred, what the hell are you doing with your stop loss and TP? Just to remember, guys, I'm a beginner Forex trader, okay? I'm learning how to Forex trade, so don't follow me. I'm not 100% sure I don't think I'm doing this right at all for my entries, my entry and exit. So, don't follow me entirely. All right, let's see what happens. I'll slow it down a little bit so we can see if something big happens. Oh, there we go. Into the upside. Going into the upside. There we go. Nope. No, it's going back into the downtrend. Oh, come on, look at that. It almost hit my TP. That's savage. Oh, dear. Oh, come on. What are these indicators showing me? Come on. There we go.
Limit
Okay.
executed.
It hit it.
Exit with gains.
Exit with gains. There we go. We made a gain on that one. 44. Remember, this is a 15-minute. It's the 15-minute time frame. So where are we at the moment? Where did we start? Did I start up here? Is that no? Well, I must have done. Yeah, I must have started around here. What was my first trade? 40. It was down here. Yeah, okay. So we started around here. This is where the first trade happened, right? Monday, 3rd of April. And now we're at what? Thursday, the 6th of April. So 3 days. 3 days in, and I can already see that we're up by what? 170 quid. 3 days worth of work. 100. If I increase my margin, obviously I'm not going to do that right now because that's just maximizing profits, and remember, you're maximizing your loss. I could easily have just lost like 300 quid there, or gained 300 quid, right? But I don't really want to take that risk right now. That's the point of testing. Anyway, let's just wait and see what the market does. Let's let it converge a little bit more. Let's see. Okay, so you can see that it's gone into below the 20 moving average. I feel as though we can do a lot of mini trades here. I feel like we can do a lot of mini trades, and I feel like
market executed.
How close can I get to this? Okay, look, I'll put it up at 30, and I'll make this down here 10 quid. Let's see, because it seems like it's going into the downtrend, right? But I don't want to put too much of a risk on it. Oh no, there we go. I got it.
Executed. Exit with gains.
All right, yeah, all right. I'm gonna put that down as a win. I think that was 10 quid. Why is it saying it's 4? That's strange, right? Oh, did it move back to 1? No. I have no idea. Okay, all right. Well, okay, so let's just allow the market to move again a little bit more. Okay, so you can see. Oh no, actually, let's let it move a little bit more. Okay, yeah, you can see now It's gone past that 200 moving average. The 10 EMA is now below the 20 EMA. I want to put in a short position. This is
Sell at
signaling
market
a
executed.
bearish momentum. So let's see if we can get it right. Okay, I literally have no strategy here for where my TP should be. I think it should be 2 to 1 or 1 to 3, or I have no idea. I saw so many people just doing. I guess like it's for me it's about making a profit. So so long as I can make a profit, I understand that. Yeah, if my stop loss is incredibly way out there, I stand to lose a lot more than what I gain. But as long as I'm gaining, right? I don't know. I'm sure there's someone out there that's going to be like, no, you're getting it completely wrong. All right, let's see what happens. Let's try and make a profit off this. Oh, nope. I got
Buy
stopped out.
stop executed.
I got stopped out.
Exit with loss.
Yep. Exited with loss. Oh, I lost 40 quid there as well. Ah, the pain. Okay, so I guess it's not really that accurate, all things considered. I mean, it does make sense. It is showing me that, okay, when it's below here, yeah, it's a down, it's going into the downside, but then it quickly reverses, very, very quickly reverses. I mean, look, you got the 200 moving average. These two lines, the 20 EMA and the 10 EMA, going below the 200, wouldn't that signal incredible bearish momentum? And then you just see this quick reversal. What am I missing here? I guess I need to use more indicators and other strategies. Let's just see where the market goes again and try and take one last trade. Okay, it went a bit bearish there. I guess these are just very quick. These are very quick, movements. Yeah, I am on the 15-minute frame though, so it kind of makes sense. Okay, so you see it's below the 200. It's below the 200. This is supposed to be bearish, but it seems like it's just averaging out around there, I guess. Oh, okay. Wow, massive fall. There we go. Finally, something clear. So this is what I would have expected. This is what I expect. When we have the 10 and the 20 EMA below the 200 moving average, we should see it just surging all the way down. I want to put in a sell. Okay,
Sell at market executed.
yeah, last trade of the day. Let's give this a try. There's nothing for me to refer to. Okay, this just seems like it's broken something back there. I'm going to try and aim for 50 quid, right? And I'll put my stop loss up here at, oh gosh, no, I don't want to lose that much. 60 quid. Okay, let's see how this plays out. Okay. Oh, I got stopped.
Executed. Exit with loss.
I got stopped out like that from that. That's so unfair. What the hell? Oh. That is so cheeky. I hate it when that happens. It's like what? Yeah, that is so upsetting because clearly a lot of the buyers came in and then just somebody sold and then sold a lot more and just pushed it really far down. Okay, well that's a shame, but that's trading. Everything is unpredictable. So it's expected. I guess what have I made here? 40 is like 80. Okay, so 10. Okay, I a quick calculation. I only made 72 quid. That's not a lot. Obviously that's not a lot, but let's see, where are we? Where did we get stopped out? Should show me. Here we go. Okay, 7th of April. And when did I say we start? The 3rd of April, I think it was, right? That's the 4th. The 3rd of April. Okay, so I mean, yeah, 3rd to the 7th of April, what's that? 4 days worth of trading and you make 72 quid. Fair enough. Like I said, if your margin was increased, so use more leverage, more margin, then okay, fine, your profits are going to be huge or maximize, right? If I times it by 10, I don't know what that is, like 720 quid, 7,000 pounds in 3 days. But again, your losses, if this strategy doesn't work properly, you're amplifying those losses. So, well, there it is, guys. Although I did seven trades today, but there it is. You can see it how the moving averages worked. All right, traders, there it is. I've given moving averages a try today. Of course, I know just using them on their own is obviously not going to be as accurate as combining them with other Forex trading strategies, which I will do in the future. But I just wanted to see if it was accurate in the sense that if the EMA goes below, if the 10 and 20 EMA go below the 200, is that actually bearish? And we can see that kind of it is a little bit. I mean, I did see, yeah, it did go into the downtrend. And then if the 10 EMA goes above the 20 EMA, that would signal, a bullish. And of course, if they're both over the 200, a bullish momentum. And we did see that. And I think I think this works. As, as I read, it does work a little bit better on the lower time frames, so you can accurately see in real time when these shifts happen, and you can enter into a long or a short at those times. But I guess your TP and your stop losses are going to be a lot tighter using this strategy alone. I don't think you can go long, like you can't put a TP incredibly, long and a stop loss incredibly low. So, yeah, I mean, there it is. It is interesting, and I will combine this with other strategies in the future. But there it is, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.